Alright guys, now in this video I'm going to show you where is digital Penang. Now first of all, this is not digital Penang library, it is not the library, but it's digital Penang co-working space. Okay, let me show you how it looks like inside there. You just click on see photos. Alright, so you see something like this. Okay, so this is not digital Penang library, but this is actually located at this place. You can see this. It's located at here, Creative Digital District Sandbox. You can see there is this signage here, digital Penang. Alright, so let me show you how it looks like over here. Okay, let me just move here. So here you can see there is the jetty, right? That's where currently only for the bikes you can go and get their ferry. This is the bus. Okay, and then from here you can come from Komta there, or maybe you can come from there. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, digital Penang replace 𝐴𝐾𝐻 right now, so you don't see 𝐴𝐾𝐻 anymore, but you see digital Penang. Okay, like example, which is this one. You can see this, replaced by digital Penang. Okay, so this is the place that you want to be. Alright, so you may want to go in, okay, and walk upstairs. So I believe it's in the 3rd floor. So you go up to the 3rd floor, and you can find your parking slots here. You can park here, and you can park at the back there. Alright, so if you want to come by bike, it would be easier. You can park your bikes here, or you can park your car maybe at the back there here. So you can park your cars. Perhaps you can give it a try here. You can park here. You can park here. Okay, you can also walk a little bit distance here. You can park over here as well. Okay, so you can also park your bikes here. So for those who you can ride with your bike, you can also park your bike here. Okay, so you can save a lot of your time. Okay, you can park cars here. You can park your bikes here. You can park your cars here. And you can park here as well. Okay, so if you park anywhere of this place, just remember to look for RHB Bank. You see RHB Bank, then you just walk straight here. Alright, just walk straight there, or CIMB Bank. If you see CIMB Bank or Allianz, just walk straight in here. Okay, just walk in, just walk all the way. Just walk until you come to this gate here. Okay, this entrance here. Alright, so again, it's being replaced by digital Penang. You don't see 𝐴𝐾𝐻 anymore. You will see it as digital Penang. Okay, I believe there should be a banner here or something like that. Okay, digital Penang. So that's it for now. I hope to see you there soon. Anything else, please let me know. And I'm going to send you a list of what are the things that you need to prepare. Like example, your laptop, your phone, your charger, and etc. Okay, so I hope to see you on this coming class offline. Alright, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.